Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung phone in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Set a wallpaper from the home screen. The very first and easy way that you can try is setting a wallpaper from the home screen. To do so, tap and hold any empty space on the home screen. Tap Wallpapers. Tap My Wallpapers. You can also tap Explore More Wallpapers to choose from a wider selection of wallpapers. If you have selected My Wallpapers, tap your preferred wallpaper, then tap Done. Choose whether you want to set the image as the wallpaper for your home screen, lock screen, or both your home and lock screen. You will now be shown a preview of your wallpaper, which you can adjust before saving. Pinch in and out to zoom or drag the image around to change its position. Tap Set on Home Screen or Set on Lock Screen or Set on Home and Lock Screens to save new wallpaper. Set a new wallpaper from the gallery. You can also set your favorite picture as the lock screen wallpaper from the settings provided in your gallery. To know how you can utilize your device's gallery, open the Gallery app. Select the image or video you would like to set as the wallpaper. If you choose to set a video as your wallpaper, up to 15 seconds of the video will play as your background. Tap the More Options icon. Tap Set as Wallpaper. Choose whether you want to set the image as the wallpaper for your home screen, lock screen, or both your home and lock screen. You will now be shown an example of how it will look. You can now adjust the wallpaper. Pinch in and out to zoom or drag the image around to change its position. Tap Set on Home Screen or Set on Lock Screen or Set on Home and Lock Screens to save new wallpaper. So, this is all about how to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.